Discover the heart of Cape Town with a cultural 3-day itinerary centered around Table Mountain. Day 1 starts with a visit to the District 6 Museum, where you'll learn about the powerful history of forced removals during apartheid. Then, explore the colorful Bo-Kaap neighborhood with a guided walking tour, delving into Cape Malay culture. Next, visit the Iziko South African Museum to experience natural history and cultural heritage exhibits. End your day with a scenic cable car ride up Table Mountain for breathtaking sunset views. Day 2 begins with a poignant visit to Robben Island Museum, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 18 years. Take a peaceful stroll through the company's garden, a historic park rich in greenery and museums, including the South African National Gallery. Then, explore the Castle of Good Hope, South Africa's oldest colonial building. Wrap up with a traditional Cape Malay meal in the vibrant Bo-Kaap neighborhood. Day 3 offers a mix of art and culture. Start with the Zeitz Mocha, a museum of contemporary African art housed in a converted grain silo. Then, take a guided tour of Langa Township to discover its rich history and community spirit. Visit the District 6 Homecoming Center to hear personal stories from former residents. Finally, end your day with a peaceful walk through the magnificent Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens, set against the backdrop of Table Mountain. Experience Cape Town's rich cultural tapestry, from its storied past to its vibrant present.